Hey guys, I'm going to be creating this IKEA Vanity set, so continue to watch to see how it comes out.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am currently on my way to IKEA. I'm going to be checking out the Alex and Linman vanity set that IKEA has. I currently have one Alex 5 drawer. However, I might need one more because I have tons of makeup. The vanity I have currently, it doesn't have enough space considering all the makeup that I now have. IKEA is known to have reasonable prices, but at the same time, you can probably dupe this and go somewhere else and get like cheaper products. But I believe that IKEA has a very great quality in their products, so that's why I'm here. Continue to watch and see how it turns out.
Okay, so I'm here, going through the entrance. I'm excited.
So here's this beautiful shelf. It is $59.99, but this is going to have to wait, but it's pretty cool because you can set your brushes on here and, you know, just create your makeup space fun and exciting and cute. But here's this, in case you guys were wondering the price. A lot of people have these shelves also, $59.99. Here is the Alex drawer, the 5 drawer unit. This is the one I currently have, but I might hold off on getting another one. And then these are all of the shelves you can put on top. Kind of wondering which one I want. We'll see. Okay, here's a basic setup of the vanity. However, I'd want one more drawer right here, but I'm not too sure space-wise. It's sitting in the middle, so I'm going to measure everything right now.
Okay guys, so I just purchased the tabletop, 2 of the legs that go attached, along with another addition, that little addition I showed that they have on top for additional storage. I didn't end up getting another Alex drawer. I am gonna hold off on that. They are $89 each, and like I said, I already have one, but I'm gonna hold off and then I will end up getting it soon. But budget wise, this is what I can afford right now. So continue to watch, and I'm going to start to put together my new vanity.
I don't know what I'm going to do with my other vanity. I'm probably going to give it to my daughter, who currently also loves makeup. So she'll have it. So yeah, that's more than likely what I'm going to do with that. So yeah, continue to watch, and I'm going to build it for you guys.
Okay, so I'm currently putting this together on my bed. This is my current vanity that I have, along with my Alex drawers. Just gonna, if you can see, already starting to put the legs in. It's pretty easy. I already did one, and then I'm gonna start putting together the other add-on. Okay guys, so I finished. Here it is. I am in love with my vanity. This one, this mirror was actually from my old vanity, but I attached it here until I can get one of those Hollywood style mirrors. Other than that, I am in love with it. I still do have to organize it, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.